I wish I knew then what I know now. You call my phone at night just to ask if I was fine. I answer quick and cold, said I'm busy, maybe next time. You tried to give advice, I rolled my eyes and walked away, thinking you were holding me from living my own way. I thought you didn't get me, thought you talked too much, but now I see those words were just another form of love. You were protecting me while I was pushing you aside. Now I understand every sleepless night you had, every prayer you whispered when life got bad. I thought you were too strict, I thought you were unfair, but now I see you were just scared. And I wish I said thank you more than I said. Leave me alone. I remember slamming doors, saying things I didn't mean. You stood there in the hallway, heard that I had never seen. I thought I had forever to fix the words I threw, but time moves quiet and suddenly you're older too. Now I hear your voice